Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to RysFix. And guys, in my last video I had shown you how to replace a tubeless tire from the rim, and that too manually at home. It was quite difficult guys, you guys saw that already. But in this video I will show you an easier way how to replace a tubeless tire. Now this video is just for information purpose guys. I don't want you guys to buy the machinery or buy the tools. I'm just showing you the easier way of how to replace a tubeless tire from the rim. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, here I am come on a tire repair shop. So here we will see how easy it is to replace a tubeless tire from the rim. So if you have machinery like this, then how easy the work becomes, that I will show you in this video. So once you release the air from the tire, you will have to put the tire on the machinery like this, and with the help of the hydraulic press, you will have to break the bead of this tire. How easily this machine breaks the bead with the help of hydraulic system that you have seen in this video. Once you are done breaking the bead on one side, turn the tire and break the bead on the other side as well. Once you are done breaking the bead on both the sides, you will have to bring the tire on top here, and you will have to fix it on this part of the machinery now. Once you put the tire here, you will have to press the tire on all the sides like this. Then you will have to get down the machinery from here. Why to get it down, that I will show you further in this video. Once you put the machinery in position, you will have to get your pry bar, and before you put the pry bar in place, see that you apply the soapy water. Once you apply the soapy water, you will have to put in the pry bar in this place here, and then pull the tire out like you normally do. Then with the help of the pedal near your foot, you will have to rotate the machinery like this. As it rotates, automatically the tire will start to come out. And how easily and how fast one side of the tire has come out, you guys have seen that already. Then again you will have to put in the pry bar to separate the tire totally from the rim, and then you will have to rotate the machinery again. And with this, your tire will now be totally separated from the rim. And as you guys can see, with the help of this process, there is absolutely no damage done to the rim. And which side of the pry bar is used here while taking out the tire, that you guys should be knowing by now, because I have shown it nicely in my last video. Now the next thing that you will have to do is, you will have to get a new tire and apply soapy water to the new tire and place it on the rim like this. And then you will have to rotate the machinery and put the tire in a position like this, and then again you will have to rotate the machinery, and like this your tire will automatically and very easily slide on the rim. As you guys can see, once one side goes inside, you will have to repeat the same process again. Apply soapy water first, and this machinery is designed in such a way guys, so that the tire will go in very easily without damaging your rim. When you place the tire on this machinery in a certain way, and when you rotate this machinery, it will automatically go inside of the rim. And as you guys can see how easily my tire is replaced here, and as you guys can see how much of your time is saved, how much of your efforts are saved. So before replacing the tire by yourself, you will have to consider all these points. But if the shops are closed, then you will have to deal with it by yourself. So now it's time to fill air in the tire. But guys, your tire is still not ready to go on the car, because the rim also has been freshly painted. All the weights which were there on the rim, I have taken them out already, and I have replaced the tire as well. So before I put this tire back on the car, I will have to do wheel balancing of this wheel. So come on now, let's go ahead and do the wheel balancing. Now to do the wheel balancing also, you will need special machinery like this. That is the reason why you will have to go on a wheel balancing shop, and you will have to balance the wheel and get it. So like this, you will have to put the tire on the machinery. Once you put the tire on the machinery, you will have to put the top cap and tighten it nicely. Once you tighten it, now with the help of this machine, you will have to rotate the wheel. Once you rotate the wheel, it will come on this monitor where exactly the weight has to be put on the wheel. Then you will have to get down the top cover like this, and the wheel will start to rotate. Once the wheel rotates, it will come on the monitor where exactly the weight has to be placed. Once you get the position, now it's time to put the weight on the wheels. Now this weight has to be placed on both the sides of the rim, or wherever the monitor indicates. It is not to be placed anywhere on the rim guys, keep a note on that. Once you are done putting the weights, you are done doing the wheel balancing of your wheel. Once you are done with the wheel balancing, you will have to keep the air pressure according to your car. According to my car, it should be 33, so we have kept it on 33. Then you will have to get a jack like this, and this type of jacks are very powerful guys, and they are very expensive as well. But how easily it takes the car up, you guys have seen that already. Then you will have to make use of a impact wrench and take out all the nuts and replace the wheel. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was informational and useful. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out. Until we meet again.